Many people know English words, but still cannot speak. Do you know why? Because they don't practice English in real life. Today, I will show you one simple thing that can change your English speaking forever. You will learn how to talk about your daily routine in English easily and confidently. Hello and welcome. If you want to speak English without fear, without long thinking, and without translating in your head, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will be able to talk about your daily routine in English in a natural way, even if you're a beginner. Let me be very honest with you. Your daily routine is the best English teacher. You wake up every day. You eat every day. You work, study, rest, and sleep every day. So why not use these moments to practice English? Let's start with the morning. When you wake up, say one simple sentence. I wake up at 6. That's it. Then add one more sentence. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Short sentences. Clear sentences. This is how English becomes easy. Now here is an important tip. Don't rush. Speak slowly. English is not a race. It is a habit. After the morning, move to the afternoon. Say things like, I go to work. I study at home. I eat lunch. You don't need big details. 1 or 2 sentences are enough. Now here comes the part many beginners forget. Feelings. Add feelings to your sentences. I feel busy. I feel tired. I feel happy. This makes your English sound real, not like a book. Let me ask you something. Which part of the day is hardest for you to explain in English? Morning, afternoon, or night? Tell me in the comments. Now let's talk about the evening and night. In the evening, you can say, I come home. I drink tea. I talk with my family. At night, keep it simple. I watch videos. I learn English. I go to sleep. See? This is your full day, and you didn't use difficult words. Now here is a powerful trick. Use connecting words. Words like then, after that, and finally. For example, I wake up at 6. Then I eat breakfast. After that, I go to work. Finally, I sleep at night. This makes your English smooth and confident. Many beginners ask, should I write first or speak first? The answer is simple. Speak first. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Your mouth must learn English, not just your eyes. You can also record your voice on your phone. Listen after 1 week. You will hear improvement. This gives confidence. Now let me talk about mistakes. Yes, you will make mistakes. Everyone does. Mistakes are part of learning. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak. So speak today. Speak badly. Speak again tomorrow. Slowly, you will speak better. Here is your small challenge. Today, speak 5 sentences about your daily routine in English. Just 5. Tomorrow, speak 5 again. That's it. Consistency beats talent. Every time, let me repeat the key idea so you remember it. Use your daily routine. Use short sentences. Add time words. Add feelings. Speak every day. This is how beginners become confident speakers. Now tell me in the comments. Will you try this today? Write yes if you will. If this video helped you, like it so more learners can find it. Share it with someone who wants to speak English. And subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical English speaking videos. Start today. Speak a little every day. Your English will change. See you in the next video.